quick list of tools that every software engineer should know. So let's get started with your code editor or IDE. Now, obviously, this is where you're going to write code. You need to know this well, and you may actually use multiple of these editors. I know that I do that from time to time. The next tool that is so important to learn is version control. What a version control system allows you to do is keep track of the history of a repository or of a code base. Now, you can use this independently without anyone else to kind of keep track of different commits or saves that you've made to the code base, so that if something goes wrong, you can always revert back to the previous version. Moving on, I have a Linux and terminal commands. Now, this is so important because as a developer, you're gonna need to use the command line or at least be familiar with what the various commands are. So start off by learning the basics in terms of how to navigate through different directories, create new files, delete files, copy, move, etc. All of kind of the core operations that you're gonna do quite a bit. And even if you can do them using the mouse, it's gonna be significantly easier to just do it in the command line. Moving on, we have CI and CD, or continuous integration and continuous deployment. Now, typically this is the role of a DevOps engineer, but a lot of companies kind of throw this on back-end developers or maybe even front-end developers or full-stack developers sometimes. So it is a good idea to be at least aware of some of these tools. There you go, guys. That is my list of tools that every software engineer needs to know. Let me know what I forgot in the comments down below, and happy coding.